For many years, the Saline District Library has been a hotspot for students and community members to study, research, or enjoy an author's latest release. To advance this experience, the library has remodeled over the summer to bring some new additions to the building.
We've made a lot of changes. Outside is where you'll see the biggest additions. We have a new plaza and a paved story trail and a pavilion that'll be great for outdoor programs. Inside, we haven't added on to the library at all, but everyone who's been through says that it feels so much bigger in here. We've created extra study rooms. We have new program rooms. We have the teen room is about twice as big as it used to be. We've added comfortable seating and a commons area and just revamped a lot.
All of these new features to the library will be able to greatly benefit students visiting with expanded rooms, study areas, and flexible seating.
Definitely having more study rooms is going to help. I always know when finals are coming up because high school students are filling the study rooms. So I think that will be a big improvement. We've really adjusted the workspaces as well. We've got kind of the high counter by the back windows that's perfect to sit with a laptop and look out at the woods. And we have portable laptop tables at all of the comfortable seating. So there's a wider variety of ways and places to sit and study here now.
Planning for the library's remodeling began in 2022, opening the space and adding new features to the outside, before it was eventually opened last January, with lots of help from all the staff at the library.
Everyone in the library has been involved. The staff has really kind of been put through their paces over the past few months. They've really adjusted well. It's been a lot of work. The three primary people on staff who were involved every single week in the process meetings were myself and our assistant director, Jessica Lash, and our facilities coordinator, Matt Siegert.
Thanks to all the hard work and planning put into the library's remodeling, the new building will be able to benefit both people coming to read and students looking for a place to study. I'm William Wilson, back to you in the studio.